Okay, so I don't normally make any videos on Sunday, but how could I not? Virgin Galactic's second test flight, which involved Sir Richard Branson, was a huge success. So I haven't had time to fully digest everything, but what I'm going to do is go through some key points that I thought was important throughout this event, and I'm just going to share them with you. And then I'm going to talk about and show you a video of Richard Branson talking about his post-flight announcement, which helps accessibility to space travel for the average individual. And then I'm going to finally talk about the stock price and what I think is going to happen over the next week or two. So let's jump straight into it, starting with a really cool clip of the VSS Unity taking off into space.
3, 2, 1, release, release, release. Clean release.
How
Ignition.
cool is this?
Good rocket motor burn.
How cool is that? That's literally out of this world cool. I want to show you a clip now actually of Sir Richard Branson talking from space, but actually I want you to focus on the cabin and tell me if you can spot what is wrong before I reveal it to you right after this clip. So I'll just show you about 10 seconds first.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship.
Okay, so I'm just going to pause it here for you. Is there anything that you notice that seems a bit odd? I'll give you a moment or two. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. This is an article on the Virgin Galactic website from the 28th of July 2020, and this is the actual cabin interior reveal. So one of the things you'll notice in this picture, which is different from the video you just saw, is the number of seats. So you can see here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats. So there's a capacity of 6 astronauts here in this cabin reveal. But if you have a look here again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and there aren't any more seats at the back. So there's 4 seats instead of the 6. Now this is quite a huge thing for us as investors, and the reason for that is because if you have 2 less seats and each seat costs about $250,000 per ticket per flight, then you're actually reducing the revenue by about $500,000 per flight. That's huge. That's $1 million in just 2 flights. So it's got a huge impact in terms of revenue. Now I'm not sure whether or not this might just be because it's a test flight, they've got less seats. Maybe in the actual passenger flights they might include 2 more seats. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you know any more than what I'm telling you now. Obviously I'm going to do a bit more digging, but it'll be interesting if anyone has any ideas or knows anything. Okay, so moving on. This is huge. So check this out. We've got Elon Musk supporting Virgin Galactic. So this was just 10 hours ago. Richard Branson tweeted, "Big day ahead, great to start the morning with a friend, feeling good, feeling excited and feeling ready." So Elon Musk actually flew to Spaceport America, New Mexico, just to support his friend Richard Branson and support the cause of Virgin Galactic, support space industry and support the space tourism field. So, and if anyone knows anything about Elon Musk, you know that anything he supports will literally go to the moon. Just look at Dogecoin, look at Tesla, and look at his own companies. Look at Bitcoin, Tesla. I mean, everything is just skyrocketing. Everything he touches skyrockets. And the fact that he's supporting Virgin Galactic is a huge green bullish signal for us as investors. So definitely something to keep in mind when it comes to Monday's stock price. We've now got lots of eyes in terms of hungry investors, which are going to be looking at Virgin Galactic differently now that Elon Musk is supporting Virgin Galactic. So definitely very good news, probably one of the most important things of this event. Okay, so the next part is the actual announcement that Richard Branson made following the test flight. And we had some speculation in one of my previous videos where we tried to predict what the announcement was going to be. One of the suggestions was I thought it was going to be a training program where he's going to train astronauts who are less fortunate to actually be able to pay for a Virgin Galactic ticket. So he was going to create some kind of training academy for astronauts. But it wasn't quite that. It was something along the lines of some of my viewers' suggestions actually about selling raffle tickets. So check this out. This is this video basically explains what Richard Branson is going to do to increase accessibility of space travel to the everyday civilian.
I'm Richard Branson, and I have a once-in-a-lifetime invitation for you. Would you like to travel to space? Well, I recently flew aboard a Virgin Galactic spaceflight alongside an incredible crew and had the most remarkable experience seeing Earth from above. And I'm thrilled to pass that opportunity on to you now. Virgin Galactic is joining up with Amaze to offer you and a guest the chance to win a trip to space aboard one of the first ever commercial space flights. You'll be flown out to meet me for a private tour of Spaceport America, where we'll prepare you to be among the first to experience a Virgin Galactic spaceflight.
Okay, so what Richard Branson is basically offering is 2 free Virgin Galactic space flights, as well as a tour of the Spaceport America with Richard Branson himself. And the way it works is Omaze will basically hold the tickets, and whoever wants to enter this competition can either enter for free, you probably get less raffles, or you could donate. And you can donate to support Space for Humanity, and the more you donate, the more raffles you get, or they call it entries in this case. So I guess it's a kind of win-win, because that just shows Richard Branson's kindness for wanting to donate, and at the same time it's a win for in terms of publicity, because a lot of people are going to be trying to enter this competition to win a ticket to space, and as we know, it's $250,000 per ticket to space. So actually he's giving away $500,000 worth of actual space travel in one competition. So that's a huge price. The other thing that's quite important to note is my mind's just gone completely blank, so I'm just going to move on from that actually. Anyway, let's go on to the stock price. So what do I think is going to happen? So check out this. The stock is at $50 now, and what I said was, if you have a look at the 6-month chart, you can see that it goes from $21 to about $27 after the successful test flight in May the 22nd. Now let's imagine very conservatively 30% increase in the stock price tomorrow. Well, a 30% stock price increase from $49 or around $50, let's round it to, is $65. Now let's imagine we go up $60 to $65 tomorrow. That's obviously very conservative, but I'm just going to stay conservative for now. So $60 to $65, I think there'll be a slight pullback, so I'm just going to stick to $60 to $65, and then over the next week or two, I think that the stock price is going to go above $70. This is just my personal opinion. I'm planning to hold the stock, so that these are my thoughts following this initial test flight. Really happy about how it went. I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you some important points, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always, smash that like button, subscribe for future updates if you haven't already. Take care, bye.